Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this helpful tips video, we'll learn how to get or delete range names in Excel by using macros. Let's go to the Excel sheet, and if you see here, we have this name manager. I have few range names which is already there. Now suppose if you want to list down these range names somewhere in this sheet, first we'll write a macro. We'll insert a module and say sub get range names. We have a data type called as name to get these range names. Dim rng names as name. We can use for each loops for getting the range names. We'll mention for each rng names as this workbook dot names. Sorry, this will be in this workbook dot names. Now we'll say next rng names. Now here we'll specify which cell we need to get all the names. We'll list down in this column P. We'll take this. We'll mention WKS range names dot range of P5 dot value equals RNG names dot name. Now we need to loop it such a way that it has to get the names in each rows. We'll take one more variable intk as integer. We'll mention intk equals intk plus 1. Now we'll take this intk and we'll replace the row number. We'll paste it here. Now if you just run this macro, we'll get the list of names. Now we'll just delete this. If you want the names to come from P5, we'll just add plus 4. Let's run the macro. We can see we'll get the names here. If you want to delete the macros, we'll write a macro to delete the range names. Say sub delete range names. We can have the same code, but this time instead of getting the name, we'll mention it as delete. Let's say dim rng names as name. And we'll use the same loop for each rng names in this workbook.names. Next rng names. If you go here in this name manager, we can see there are few range names. We'll mention here rng names dot delete. If you want to get the name, we'll mention dot name. If you want to delete, I'll say dot delete. Now let's execute this. If you go back to the Excel sheet and if you check this name manager, all the names are deleted. So this is how we can get the range names, or we can delete the range names in the Excel sheet. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.